Tatu City has completed the 1 billion shillings final phase of infrastructure development for Kijani Ridge, which involved tarmacking of the road network, installation of an underground power line, internet cables and drainage system. Tatu City country head Preston Mendenhall says implementation of the special economic zones act that saw Tatu City being the model project has seen the management work closely with county governments to train and assist them develop their industrial parks.
End of 2022.
Recently, we hosted the Council of Governors at Tatu City. This was at the request of State House to demonstrate what a special economic zone, an operational special economic zone looks like, what mixed-use development looks like, and how to attract industrial investment, both domestic and international, to Kenya. It was a benchmarking visit, and it's something that we are continuing to speak about with several individual counties about how we can assist and support as they develop their industrial and economic agendas.
In terms of the investment value at Kijani Ridge, this last phase, as the developer, we've spent at least 1 billion Kenya shillings. This is to deliver the infrastructure that you see today. However, in terms of the total investment, both us and our partners have injected within the whole development at Tatu City. We are speaking about 1.5 billion US dollars. We've delivered 6 kilometers of tarmac, 9.5 kilometers of underground power line. Okay.